So if you are interested in the Surface Pen, you want to get it, you're not really sure if you should get it, if it's worth the price, whatever, you can put my opinion towards that, and hopefully I can help you guys make a decision on this. This is the wrong pen. On this thing, I honestly didn't mean to do that. Hey guys, what's up? My name's Ditters, otherwise known as Zach. That's my real name. If you guys are looking at this one is the silver one. You can get it in black, burgundy, and blue. This is going to be the best for anybody that's into design, art. I'm into art. I do a lot of Photoshop, and this thing helps so much because instead of clicking and kind of moving around trying to get on the right spot or follow a line, it's so much easier to use this. It's a normal feel, right? Like pretty much everybody, even if you're not into art, it's a natural feel to write and actually follow a line and draw rather than clicking and dragging and trying to, yeah. So this is gonna give you So this is gonna give you a much more natural feel. I am also just realizing I didn't have that on. So there you go. Now you got a better background to look at. It uses Bluetooth, so you can just easily connect. I never have to connect this thing to my laptop again. Once I'm connected, I'm good to go. The pen is smart enough because it's a smart accessory. It's smart enough to know that you're actually trying to erase when you use the back, so you can write something or draw something and then go ahead and erase it depending on the application. Photoshop is kind of tricky. You got to do something special to set that up, but yeah, it's really nice. It's a natural feel. You can write something or draw something and then just turn it around and erase it. It's perfect. I love it. But the big special thing that I've been saving, because this is, you know, this is fancy. So the end actually has a pressure sensitive. So what that means is when you're pushing down, it knows that it knows when you press light, it'll be a lower opacity, I guess, and then when you press harder, it'll mimic that and give you a harder, darker brush look line. Another thing you could set up with that if you wanted to is you could go ahead and have when you press light, it's like a thin line, and then when you press dark, it's a darker line. So that way you don't have to go and change your brush settings, whatever. You can just do that just by pressing light and hard. This pen also has tilt, which is cool for those drawers and those artistic people out there. So when you actually tilt the pen when you're drawing, it will kind of slant the brush or pencil or whatever in real life. So, you know, when you're drawing with an actual pencil and you draw straight and then you draw tilted, then it's a little bit thicker, so it does that with this too. So it's really cool. If anybody's wondering, it takes quad A or quad A, I don't know what you call it, 4 A's. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for the support, for watching this. I hope you learned something. I learned a lot, not in this video. I had to learn, you know, before the video and before I bought this. But I hope that this taught you guys enough that now you're ready to go out and go buy your own, because it's cool. I love it. You'll probably love it, and it's way cooler than you think it is. It's not just a stylus. It's not just a pen. It's so much more. I'm gonna stop obsessing about this thing. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. If you guys would like, you can go check out my other videos because those ones are good too. The shout out for this video is gonna go to Crime Jade. From the looks of it, they're a pretty new YouTuber, so go give them some support. They subscribed and commented on my last video, and I really appreciate the support from you, from Crime Jade, if you are watching this, so thank you so much. If you guys want me to give you a shout out in the next video, all you gotta do is go click that subscribe button and just comment. It can really be whatever you like. You can tell me something, tell me your favorite pop, snack, whatever. Every video I make, I will pick somebody new, so if you guys want to be featured, if you guys want a little shout out, just let me know, and I can do that at the end of each video, like this one. So if you guys are new to this channel, please consider subscribing so that you guys can see more of my weirdness, more of me drinking liquids randomly during my videos. And for the first time spilling them. I just cleaned this shirt, and I spilled Coke on it. That's why I had to clean it. I spilled Coke on it the last time. Anyways, if you guys want to see more of my weirdness and spilling things, that wasn't on purpose, go ahead, click that subscribe button, smack it, spank it, tickle it, do whatever you need to do. But anyways, guys, thank you so much. Have a awesome day. Drink some pop, eat some chips, some candy, some good old Skittles, and I'll see you guys in my next video, guys. Bye.